In this tutorial, we'll show you how you can copy or create your own spot grid bot strategies to automate your trades on Binance. A spot grid bot is a powerful tool designed to automate your trading strategy with predetermined parameters and settings. Each bot is designed to place buy and sell orders in the market at preset intervals within a configured price range. You can also copy successful strategies as well as create your own. How it works. To begin, you'll need to create a Binance account and verify your identity if you haven't done so already. Next, head to the Spot Grid trading page, select your preferred trading pair, and set your investment amount. You can also select a strategy to copy by browsing our bot marketplace. The return on investment for each bot is clearly displayed to help you make your decision. Customize your grid by setting the upper and lower price limits and choose the number of grid levels. You can also adjust parameters like your take profit and stop loss levels to better manage your risk. Double-check your settings, and when you're ready, activate your Spot Grid bot and monitor it as it runs. When checking your bot's performance, you can modify the grid or disable it at any time. Congratulations! You've now learned how to set up your own spot or futures grid trading bot. Visit Binance.com to learn more about grid bots and hone your trading skills with the world's leading crypto exchange.